Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a staircase renovation using luxury vinyl plank flooring on this open staircase. So as you can see, there is a wall that runs down the right hand side of the screen along the staircase, but the left hand side is open and there will be a railing and spindles installed along there. So the old ones were taken out and we are installing these custom made nosings made by us here at Step Up Vinyl out of flat vinyl plank flooring. All right. The customer wanted the vinyl plank flooring and had it installed all at the top, their whole second floor, and they wanted the same vinyl to be used on their stairs, and so they came to us. You can find us at stepupvinyl.ca as well as on our channel. And like I said, we make these nosings out of vinyl plank boards so that they are a perfect match. You can see here this bottom one had that cutout for the post to be put in, and then we are continuing along using that exact same vinyl to make risers and then on to the nosings. Our product really is unique here, especially for these open staircases, because again, like I said, it's made out of that same vinyl and it's done custom. These do have a different installation process. As you can see, we are accommodating both the front and the side there using this PL premium adhesive as we go along to make sure that everything is set in place and held firmly there. If you check out our channel and hit that subscribe button, we have tons of installation videos. We actually have this particular job from another viewpoint if you're curious to see that. And if you are considering doing a job yourself, we have lots of tips and trick videos for all the different aspects of what we are doing here. Some things to consider with these risers is that that end on the left hand side is open, so they are actually a custom made riser as well as the nosing themselves, which you can see here has to cover both the side and the front in place there. You can see with this overhead view that they have tile flooring along the main floor. And now that this job is actually complete, the customer is already reaching out to us to actually install this vinyl flooring all along the bottom as well. So if you are looking to just do a partial job, just remember that you might fall in love with the job and want it all over the rest of the house there. So we know everybody has different budgets and different capacities to do it, but it really is going to look beautiful, even more beautiful once the bottom has been done as well. You'll see here along these that there's some black tape there. Those are just in place to help with the installation process. You can also see the interesting way that the stairs are being walked on, knowing that they are loose with the adhesive, and we just need to make sure that they're not moving as we do it. That is the one gem about installing the open stairs, is that you can generally just move along the side with that installation process instead of having to traveling up the stairs. One of the questions we get all the time is, why would we work from the bottom to the top? And we do answer this in detail in another video, so you can check it out on our channel. But it really has to do with the fit of these risers and where you want the cut edge of your boards to be. So this riser is covering the back edge of the tread, and then the tread above is going to cover the top edge of the riser, and it's just going to make a really, really beautiful finish. So for us, the most important job is that, the most important thing is that beautiful end product, that beautiful finish. And so we are making that work with how we are standing and how we are going to do the installation. Vinyl really is a great product to use on stairs. It has a really, really authentic feel to it now. Some people might worry that it's slippery, but it really does. It has the same grooving as a wood product. But the nice thing is it's just so incredibly easy to clean and maintain. It is waterproof. And like I said, it's just really, really nice maintenance there. So as you can see from this shot, the flooring at the top has already been installed. As I mentioned, this customer kind of did their renovation in stages, and so ideally you would want to do your stairs first, because then that top piece, when you install it, it will still have the click on it, and you'll be able to use it as your starting row that you're going to then just click onto for that whole installation to really just have a perfectly seamless finish. But this also works. We do this all the time with customers who are maybe doing part of the job DIY or doing it in different orders. We have lots of experience on how to do it. But if you are watching this to plan ahead, then that would be the ideal way to do it. So for this riser that was just installed, there was a little bit of gapping going on at the bottom. When you're renovating stairs that already exist, they sometimes have a slight bend or bow to them. Wood is a natural product. It's slightly imperfect at times. And so what's being done here is we're making sure to get that riser pushed down and held down by actually putting a screw above it. And this is one of the reasons why we do the installation from the bottom to the top, because now when we install this next nosing, it's going to completely cover that and you're never going to see it. If you're curious about that process, we do have a full tutorial video on how to go about doing that. We don't do it on all of the stairs, just the ones that need it. So please check out the channel and we will link that video as well at the end of this video so that you'll be able to find it. All right, so just a few risers and nosings to go, and we're gonna get to look at that finished product. It really, like I said, was a really beautiful finish. You can see here these top steps are all a little bit in need of that extra support, which is great. The key with that is that you're not screwing through the vinyl itself, because that could crack it. You're going just above it, and then that screw is holding down the pressure to make sure that we have that beautiful finish. You're never gonna caulk between the riser and the nosing itself with the vinyl. And so it really is important on that installation that we're getting it right at that get-go, because there really is no room for any adjustments afterwards. So you can see here, this one has the cutout for the post that is there. As I said, all of these are made customs. Every stair is slightly different. And so that is the beauty of working with us, is it all is all custom. And we're going to come in and do that installation for you. So here's for the magic for the very, very top. Okay, as I mentioned, this nosing was made specifically for this space, knowing that that vinyl was already there. But if you didn't have it installed at the top, you would literally do a full nosing like you saw above, the full board out there. So this is what it looked like before. It had the carpet along it. It had the yellowish wood railings with the spindles, as was there. Definitely an old-fashioned, better days for the carpet that was there. And then this is our end result. So you can see we have those beautiful metal spindles that are there, really modern finish with the dark stain on the posts and the railings. And then we have all of these open stair caps that are just absolutely beautiful and seamless. So you can see there the tile at the bottom that the customer is ready to do that next installation because they absolutely love how this looks with the vinyl at the top of the stairs as well as we make our way up to the top. And you can just see how that flows throughout. There's no transitions into the bedrooms, into the different spaces. It's all just that one beautiful vinyl finish that really is a wonderful addition. And the best part, super easy to clean and maintain. So please hit the like button and hit subscribe and check out our other videos. Check out our website at stepupvinyl.ca, and we'll see you in the next video.